Let's get John out to the waterfront. Just one of the many gorgeous views out there today. And boy, I'm sure you noticed by now the mountain is out big time today. And it sounds like, Jordan, we're going to have this weather for a few days anyway. Most of the week?
Yeah. It's supposed to be nice the rest of this week because of that ridge of high pressure I was talking about, but we are watching some smoke off of California head offshore, and eventually we could start to see it moving back into our area as we go into midweek. So let me show you what we're seeing right now. This is a ridge that's over us. It's going to stay over us all week, but we also have a thermal trough, and with the flow of that, and plus, like I said, the smoke going offshore, it will help to bring some of that in. And let me show you this right here. You see this orange? This is basically just showing you where the dry air is. And so see how it's kind of going offshore? We got some smoke right here. Let me go ahead and show you another view. So we are not looking nice and clear because of that ridge, but the smoke is starting to head in our direction. So for today, of course, our air looks great. No issues with air quality. As we go into Wednesday, we may start to see some issues there, but it does not look to be like anything that we have seen earlier in the month. But we definitely want to be weather aware, especially if you do have respiratory issues. So again, that looks to be more so midweek. All right, now though, it's looking great. Like you were saying, Greg, mountains out, beautiful, 71 degrees. We have a northerly wind about 9 miles per hour. We could see a little bit of a breeze today, up to 20 miles per hour. So not too bad, especially when temperatures are in the 70s, right? And it's time for Fido's forecast to get you through the rest of the afternoon and evening. And this is Jackson and Nina, and they are enjoying the day as well. Look at that tongue hanging out. That is so funny. So as we go into your afternoon and evening, those temperatures are going to be hovering right around 70 degrees, nice clear skies, and that sunset is at 6:53. So now before 7 p.m. I hate losing the light so early, but you know, we got to take what we can get, right, in terms of the nice weather. And if that means that it's happening towards the end of summer, at the beginning of fall, I'll take it. Clear and quiet tonight with temperatures dropping into the upper 40s to about mid 50s. That's probably another thing you guys have noticed. It's a little bit cooler each morning. And that's because obviously our days aren't as long, but we're also starting to see that cooler air just come in too. So, but in the meantime, we are actually watching warmer air. Summer's making a return for the rest of this week, but then we start to cool down as we go into next week. So take advantage of it. But like I said, be weather aware. Keep checking in with us because we're going to be tracking that threat for smoke again Wednesday, possibly Thursday, but it looks to clear out just in time for the weekend, guys.
Thank you, Jordan.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, it does. Thank you, Jordan.